Give it up for TCL's Grand Endorsement Ultimate Cool Girl, Catherine Bernardo!
Everybody, once again, it's Catherine Bernardo! Hello, happy weekend, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Actually, excited ako today. Parang ang dami natin gagawin, and I just want to thank my TCL family, of course, for making this event possible and for having me. This is my second time attending this event, and I'm just so happy that I'm here representing my TCL family. So let's just have fun today.
Yes, of course. Actually, Kat, we're so very honored to have you here with us today. You are such a big part of the TCL family, and you are here for the TCL Techmania Cool Fest Year 2. Grabe yung energy. Nag-level up dahil nang dumating ka. Is there anything else you want to say to
may gusto ko maitagdag to our Cool Fest barkada na talaga naman nag-iiyawan.
Well, aside sa, it's gonna be a fun and exciting afternoon. Bago yan, gusto ko muna magpasalamat, of course, sa suporta ng SM Appliance Center. Thank you for making this event extra special. Of course, together with TCL and SM Appliance, they're bringing the coolest and smartest tech to every Filipino home. And I am just so proud to be part of that. So thank you for having me again. And I can't wait to enjoy the rest of Techmania with all of you guys.
Thank you so much. And the thing is,